Longerness.
Is that a word? Longerness?
Guys, look.
Han?
Han.
Perfume.
Fium. Fium.
Spell it.
Namasuras tami guys, namasura.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything family! May snow pa, guys. May snow. Roxy calls. What? What do you want? What do you want from Mama? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want, huh? Dance, Mama's dancing. Okay, you're my audience. Okay, you watch Mama dance, okay? Come to Mama. Come. Si Bisti, come to Mama. Come to Mama. Go. Nagsilos na, ula. Madala na yung dakidak-dak na yan. Magdala na yung dakidak-dak paingon diri. Na nagkuha nagdakidak-dak din. Guys, kumuha na. O, dalhin yan dito. O. Where is your dakidak-dak? What? You jealous? I told you to come. Come up like this. Up. I love it. Up. I love it. I love you. You wanna go out? Okay. I guess I'm gonna let you out.
Am I pointing to you?
Yeah.
No, you're not carrying that by yourself. Forget.
No.
No, you're not. No, you are not.
Honey,
Hon, I'm shutting the camera off. Hon. No, you're not.
I did it. I don't.
I put my shoes on.
It's playing already.
You should have been taped. Oh.
Oh my goodness. Si Habs talaga, ginagrab ito, oh. Hindi talaga ito si Habs talaga. Hindi pa ako nag-ready. Ganito pa rin suot ko kasi kinakat ko yung nails nila. And then, yun. Nag-edit. Hello, there's a lot over here. Mama need to clean up and vacuum in here because my baby is collecting hair. Sinuot ko naman ng Rocky Balboa ni Tammy. I like shirt na sobrang laki, look. And meron akong hinahanap na papel, importante. Kay Tamimoy. Meron akong hinahanap importanteng papel. And, yun. So, ayaw ko nang magtrabaho si Tammy. Sabi ko, huwag ka nang magtrabaho, sir. So, merong isang papel na importante para hindi na siya magtatrabaho. So, ngayon, punta tayo sa second floor. Baka andon. I have to shut this light off here kasi hindi naman ito kailangan kasi yung snow is nagdala ng light sa bahay. Look. Yung snow kasi doon sa labas, mag-reflect. So, sa loob ng bahay, okay kahit walang kuryente. Hi! He said he doesn't need any haircut, guys. Kaloka. He needs haircut because his hair is crazy. So now, hopefully, hindi ko tinapon yung papel. Sabi ko sa kanya, sabi niya sa akin, wag mong itapon yan kasi yun yung sabi ng doktor. So sana, andun pa. Hindi natin tinapon kasi usually kapag walang kwentang papel. Kapag walang kwentang papel, itatapon ko siya. And yun. Ang problema ngayon, hindi ko alam kung asan ko nilagay. Yaon. Ang dami kong Christmas decor. Ito yung mga ginagamit ko every year. Let's find the way. Kasi ayaw ko na, sabi ko sa kanya, huwag ka nang magtrabaho dong. Kasi relax ka na lang dong. And then, meron kang i-file na something dong. Hindi ko pa siya mag-retire. Pero, ayaw niyang mag-retire. Oh, I think this is it. Okay, ipakita ko to sa kanya. I think this is it. And do you have any idea what time we're leaving?
What?
Do you have any idea what time we go? Later. It's okay if it's
too
not.
late because you want to do it in the dark.
Why?
Because some of those bags we have to sort through. They're mixed. You guys mixed everything up.
Look at this paper. Forget about that. Look at that paper.
Over the summer.
So ngayon, inano rin ko lang yung lisensya ko kasi itong asawa ko, iwan ko kung maghihintay ako sa kanya, walang mangyayari. Na-cancel yung ano namin dahil sa COVID, diba? In-adjust ng January something. And then dapat tatawag siya pag mag-reschedule. Ayoko nang maghintay kasi God forbid kung anong mangyari sa akin sa daan, i-stop tayo ng pulis, wala tayong magpakita, expired, walang ano. So, kailangan ko siyang, yun, ginawa ko na siya. Ayaw ko na maghintay. Ang tagal-tagal. So, yun. Tapos. So, ngayon, isend ko lang sa cellphone ko yung document. So, yun. Wala na tayong problema. Kung i-stop tayo, meron tayong mapakita ito. Kasi ayaw kong maghintay, guys. Kasi always yung ganon, yung isa. Ang mahal kapag mag-ano pala, 80. I can't wait. I'm done. Hindi niya alam to. I'm done, Tommy. I'm done with my license. Kasi I'm worried if somebody will stop me. Don't laugh at me. Why are you laughing?
Yeah, you're just strange.
You know what? I'm not gonna wait for your longerness.
Longer?
Yeah, longerness.
Is that a word? Longerness?
Guys, look.
Han?
Han? No, pagkakimos akong baby. Hi guys! Alam nyo, naparami yung kain ng ano. Naparami ang kain ko ng, anong tawag nun? Yung cake. Naparami. Bakit? Naparami. Nag-bathroom ako kanina. Alam nyo ba kung anong color ng ano ko? Iwan ko kung naging green. Purple man yun. Iwan ko. Ang purple ba maging green? Hindi ko talaga alam, guys. Sabi ko kay Tommy, baka may something na ako. Kasi pumunta ako sa bathroom. Ang lumabas, puro green. Pasensya na sa mga kumakain dyan, pero yeah. So, nag-research ako, guys, kung bakit green. So, kung wala naman akong naramdamang masama, ano yan sa pagkain, pero wala akong kinaing gulay na green. Yung ano lang, yung purple, ano, cake. Kasi may konting green siya sa ilalim. I don't know. So, ngayon, kakain naman tayo ng cheesecake para maging white. Hindi ako mahilig sa mga matamis, pero iwan ko kung bakit ngayon mahilig ako. Hindi mahilig, bakit nag-crave ako ng matamis. Tingnan nyo naman ako. Ang taba-taba. I'm gaining weight. So, good luck. And happy gaining weight, everyone. Sometimes talaga mag-crave ako ng matamis. Pero sobrang tamis naman. Takot naman ako. Parang yung hindi kakayanin ba? I know you were right. Believing for so long. Honey, we have to keep going. We have to keep going. You're almost done? You're almost done? Nagara man, oy. Go, Pi. You go, Pipi. You go, Pipi. Roxy. May snow pa. Dito meron. Ang tagal. Magdala po ako ng bread kasi pag magutom, meron tayong bread. Dalhin natin itong bigay ni Lloydie and Mark. Itong Ferrero collection. Dalhin natin po ito. Galing ako sa labas kasi itong dalawa pinalabas namin kasi gusto kong magwiwi. Ayaw. Our dinner. Huh?
Good dinner.
Oh, you don't close the thing yet.
I know that. That's why I said hold on.
Can you close that? I smell the fume. I do smell the fume. It's so freaking strong. I collapsed already.
It's perfume.
Fume.
It's perfume.
And fume.
Fume.
Can you follow me?
Perfume.
Fume.
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 Spell it.
Fume. Fume. Anna, that's how you pronounce fume because F-E-U-M-E. Fume.
Okay.
Fume.
Yeah, fume. Fume.
Fume. Fume. Hala, garbage tonight. Can we walk the garbage that we're not gonna make a noise later?
Alright.
Because I will probably bring some garbage from the house if there's no garbage spill. Ang plano ko is kunti lang kasi yung garbage spill doon sa isang bahay. So ang gagawin ko is yung garbage na iba is dalhin ko dito kasi itong mga garbage spill ko ang lalaki at saka empty. So dala tayo kasi mahirap doon guys sa New Rochelle kasi pag maglagay ka ng maraming basura na kadami-daming bag na nilagay mo doon, ang mangyayari kasi hindi nila i-pick up, hindi nila i-ano lahat at saka ang dami pa ng basura. So
regions. Okay. Did you fart? It smells fume.
Honey,
Fume.
how dare you? Oh.
That is P-U-U-M-E. P-U-U-M-E.
Okay guys, the light is off, so that means I'm driving na. And we'll see you later guys.
And it's P-U-U-M-E in here guys. P-U-M-E. Pew! Pew!
Pew! There is a car here.
It's a drama.
Han! Han?
She's a drummy and puny.
Do you like your wife to live longer?
Yep.
Okay, so...
Who else would be nagging me otherwise?
Seriously, Han, you tell
seriously.
people, they know already.
I would think they do.
You really are like trying to tell people I'm the bad wife, Han. Am I really a bad wife?
Huh? No, if you were really a bad wife, I would leave.
You will leave me if I'm a bad wife?
You were a bad wife? Yes, hon. Are you kidding?
So I guess
Would you leave me if I was really a bad husband?
Yes, if you don't feed me,
Okay,
if you
so-
just give me eggs, just like my past. You don't feed me, I will leave you. Are you kidding me? You try to starve me, I'm always shaking when I get hungry. I'm passing out. Honey, can you hold my
Pass
bread?
gas. It's P-U-B.
My bread, honey.
Oh, bread E-E on the back.
Ah, that's really squishable bread.
Okay, unless I jump back there and squish on top of it. it won't be-
And there is a
Look,
Ferrero thing here.
Nice lights. Lights? See, nice.
I guess I'm...
Look, lights.
So I
lights.
guess I'm a good wife, huh? Huh?
I think you took your lights out too early. You put them up too early, or you took them down too early. Look, lights.
Because
lights.
next
Look,
year...
everybody got lights?
No, this is my plan next year. My next year plan, Christmas lights out and in. September is already in, and it will go
September.
out January 2.
Dream.
Dream.
September Christmas lights. Are you kidding?
Yes, hon. It's very Filipino way to
Yeah,
feel the
well, I'm going to the
Christmas.
Philippines to put lights.
Okay, I'm going
This is
there.
not U.S. This is not Philippines. Kidding.
I'm gonna do carolinging to Harold and Amy. Merry
I'll pay to see that.
Huh?
I'll pay to see that.
Caroling?
Yeah, I'll pay to see you go over there, Carol.
So, ngayon maghanap tayo ng basura. Dahil basura. Meron pa doon sa porch. Let me see what's in here. Namasuras Tami guys. Namasura. Ito si Tami. Kinalkal yung basura. Para lang makita yung, ano yung nilagay namin doon. Yun. Nag-ano siya. Kinuha niya yung mga nilagay namin. Instead of basura na. Hindi pa pala basura sa kanya. Dami pa. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is put this in the bag. Tinignan niya kung ano yung basura na tinapon na bawal sa kanya. Tinapon ko mga tape, ang dami, mga tape. And then lahat ng tape kinuha. Sabi pa niya, sinong nagtapon ito? Sabi ko, ako. Bakit? Kinuha niya, sabi niya, ba't tinapon mo yung mga kaset tape, mga nakakatanda. Can you look if we have steak over there?
Where?
The old steak in the big freezer. It's the old one. Do we have turkey for the kids?
If we have it, it's in there. If it's not in there, we don't have it.
We have one turkey, big turkey here. I think you got two here. I don't know where's the other one.
I brought one.
Is this probably new? Oh, the fish. Oh, mahi loin. Yeah, bring it. Don't buy any more steak, huh?
What else?
That's probably bad already. Oh,
We both know.
yes, it is freezer burn.
They're not freezer burn. Everything's freezer burn to you.
Oh, I need to show my friends to what Isabel's throwing out. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Yung sister-in-law ko. Ang mga tinapon niya. Hi, Bianan. Hello. Ang dilim dito, guys. Nakakatakot. Asan yung light dito? Ang daming gamit ni sister-in-law. Akala ko nag-ano siya dito. So, ito yung mga tinatapon niya. Look, ang gaganda, guys. Hold on. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Madadami. Puro dolphin. Kasi dolphin lover kasi siya, look. Magaganda. Ang dami pa dito. Look, pakita ko, ha. Dolphin lover kasi. So, ang daming tinatapong dolphin. Look. Mga pang-decoration, guys. Right here. Look. Ito. Hala. What happened? Mga magagandang gamit tinatapon dahil nga wala siyang bahay. Meron siyang mga tinatapon dito sa bag. Hindi ko pa tinignan kung ano. Tignan natin. Christmas tree candle. Tignan natin, guys. Mamasura tayo. Nagbasura tayo. Ay. Uwig. Look. Dalhin natin to sa bahay. She threw the doll out. Look, ang gandang mga doll. I'm digging Isabel's garbage.
Somebody rang the doorbell earlier and it turned the TV like a gray glowing screen, so you know, Ray wouldn't be able to tell that it's actually on. I called them and of course they're like, oh no, it's an Amazon problem. Call Amazon.
Yeah, of course. You know, nobody will solve that for you. But you got the Ring doorbell hooked up to Amazon also?
We've got the Ring doorbell hooked up to Alexa. It's a frequency issue, and somebody needs to tell me how to change it. I was like, okay.
Okay, so here's the thing. This is just fucking nuts. But then again, you know, when Trump first ran for office, they kept cool.
Naloka ko nitong tami. Puro na lang politics. Hi, baby! Gitang, gitang, gitang. Look, Misty yan. Hi, monkey.
You guys gotta go out. Okay.
Hi guys, it's already 9, ano na? 9:17. And can we just leave it here? Kakadarating lang na bihis agad kami guys. Eh, gusto namin komportable agad. Na gonna eat dinner. I'm just gonna keep drinking water. Yun lang yung ginawa namin guys. Nag-ano lang kami doon. Nagtapon ng basura. Dinala namin yung ibang basura dito kasi basura din bukas. At saka nilagay namin sa garbage bin. Dinagdagan namin yung sa amin dito kasi hindi siya puno. Yan, dinagdag kasi ang daming basura doon sa isang bahay guys. As in, hindi kaya sa power. At itong asawa ko, pagdating namin doon, ang unang ginawa is tinitignan yung garbage bill. So, hinukay niya yung garbage. Tinitignan kung anong andun. Sabi ko, ito yung nakakaluka. Basta ikaw kasama. Pero yung basura ng kapatid ni Tami, hinukay ko rin, di ba? Tinitignan ko kung ano yung itatapon niya doon. So, I'm going to end the vlog, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Matutulog lang ako, guys, kasi gusto ko matulog. Hilamos lang ako. And si Tami pumunta sa baba kasi yung refrigerator doon nag-ice talaga ng sobra. And then, yun, hindi nagumagana yung refrigerator. So, yung freezer gumana. Yung refrigerator lang nag-ice and then hindi na gumiginaw. Kailangan mo nung i-defrost yung machine kasi nag-ice talaga. Yung fan hindi na makapag-operate kasi naging frozen. So, kailangan niyang i-defrost lahat. And then, ayusin agad. So, yun guys. So, anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I will see you guys tomorrow. And, yeah. So, anyway, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.